Hi everyone, I will show you how to use Instagram Collabs feature. First of all, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon in the middle of the bottom. Then select the picture and tap the blue arrow on the top right. Then again tap. Now you can see the tag people option. Tap the invite a collaborator. Now search the person and tap tick and write a caption. Now I will switch my second account and open the chat. Now you can see the collaborator invite chat. Then tap the view request and tap again the review option. And if you want to accept this post to collab, then tap it. If you don't need to collab this post, then tap the decline option. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.